Hey, wow. Pause. Are you at your desk? Oh my god! Oh my god, I gotta go. Somebody just fucking totally got in a major wreck on the freeway. I just saw it. I gotta go. It's on my camera.
Call the cop. Lauren, call the cop.
15601.
Call the cops.
What the fuck? Stupid bitch.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
See? Where's the guy? Where's the guy?
Oh, God, I don't know.
Call 911.
Oh.
There he is lying there.
Reminding you to just drive. Take action against distraction.
The stars of rodeo return to Denver for Rodeo All-Star Weekend, April 15th and 16th at the National Western Event Center, presented by Murdoch's Ranch and Home Supply. Rodeo and country music collide at the All-Star concert, featuring Grammy-nominated country.
It's a brand new car.
Tickets on sale now at Rodeo.
That guy was clearly not paying attention.
That was nice.
She was pink. Garishly pink. It was oddly like looking at the face in the giant billboard, only much, much smaller. And younger. And a very imperfect match. It was hard to tell in the light, but she seemed somehow wrong. My eyes...
You dumb fucker.
Yeah. He's going after that car.
Yeah.
What do you do?
You pass all these cars.
Oh.
that can be costly. An expensive degree plus a low-paying job equals a whole lot of student loan debt. Alyssa Nadreny of the NPR Ed team talked with teachers who are trying to work through that math problem.
When we talked to teachers about their student loans, we heard a lot of this.
I mean, it's just like this suffocating debt.
It feels like we're stuck to a ball and chain. Oh my gosh, but it's like never ending, it seems like. Those are some of the 2,000 teachers that answered our call for their experience with student debt. We wanted to understand what makes this particular job even more vulnerable to a ton of debt. The first factor, of course, is chronically low teacher pay. On average,
Yes.
Lauren Pena often hears that in the break room at school. She teaches 10th grade English in Oklahoma City, and she remembers getting her first classroom job.
After waitressing, it sounds awesome to
What the fuck?